Baking soda teeth whitener. Baking soda has mild abrasive texture that helps remove yellow plaque stuck on teeth without endangering the enamel. How does baking soda work? It eliminates plaque because its mild gritty texture scrapes off plaque along with tiny food particles stuck on the teeth. Baking soda removes stains. When you mix it with water, it releases free radicals, which interact with the stain molecules on the teeth. Due to this interaction, the stain molecules become neutralized, and you get white and bright teeth. Baking soda can also be used to freshen the breath, to eliminate acidic bacteria that form yellow plaque, which leads to tooth decay, and to get rid of germs and the microbes in the mouth. How to make baking soda teeth whitener. Take a small container, and add in it 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 drops of lemon essential oil, and 4 drops of liquid stevia, which is optional. Add enough water to the mixture to form a paste. Store the paste in a dry and clean place. How to use it. Rinse your mouth with warm water, then wipe your teeth with a paper towel to remove excess saliva. Put a small amount of the paste on your toothbrush, and brush your teeth gently. Leave the paste on your teeth for 3 minutes, then rinse out. Repeat as necessary. Why these ingredients? Lemon essential oil can effectively whiten teeth, remove plaque and harmful bacteria, reduce stains, and make your breath fresher. Stevia, you can use it to give the recipes some sweetness, because otherwise it will taste salty and somewhat unpleasant. Take care of your teeth. Avoid eating too much of citrus fruits at a go, because they can cause enamel sensitivity. After consuming such fruits, rinse your mouth with tepid water to remove the acidic feeling. Remember that tea and coffee are the top teeth-staining beverages, so always rinse your mouth after drinking them. While being a healthy food, blueberries can leave bluish stains on your teeth if you munch too much of these berries. So alternatively, you can simply add some to your morning oatmeal. Minimize soda drinks, as they not only stain your teeth, but also destroy the enamel.